Rewire is talking to a lot of talent through through their channels. If they have a good candidate, then they introduce them to us. But whoever joins us, they might come through Rewire or they come through our own network. They will all follow the Rewire training during the first 2 years. So when they join, we want them to work for us for a minimum of 6 weeks, 2 months approximately. After that, they start the bootcamp. That's a 6-week in-house bootcamp at Rewire. From there, they get back to us, and then they have these in-house days at Rewire over the next 18 months, I would say. It is important that the trainers are well-rounded and have the practical experience as well. They have seen different companies, different organizations, and also different data science teams, for example. How do other companies implement data science, and what can we learn from that? That's also something that they give back to our talents. I mean, in a competitive market, when there are so many organizations and you can join us and we offer you the Rewire training, workshops, and talent programs as well, I think it's only something extra that we can give to the talent, and hopefully that will also that we can keep them with our organization. It's an investment from both sides. I would certainly recommend the Rewire program. It's one of the best top practices or top companies in the world in data science. It's a very valuable training program with a lot of theory, but also practical experience. The combination is just very valuable.